Good afternoon, investor and corporate. Welcome to Digital Roadshow Year's End 2024 Performance Review. This session will run about 45 minutes, including Q&A. Company will start the session by 30-minute presentation, followed by 15-minute Q&A. During Q&A, investor may leave your questions in meeting room chat box or use raise your hand function. We will open your microphone so you can ask the question to the company directly. May I now invite Global Power Synergy Public Company Limited to start the presentation.
Thank you so much, Stock Exchange of Thailand. Good afternoon, investors. Today, we Global Power Synergy Public Company Limited, or GPSC, will present the financial results of fourth quarter and fiscal year of 2024, which have three sessions, including a business overview, strategy, and financial performance. For the next page. This session, before I go through the detail, first of all, I would like to recap the GPSC as the power flagship of PTT Group. And now PTT dedicates GPSC in role of the decarbonization to provide green product for our customer. And now PTT Group held stake in GPSC at 45% and free float in public around 25%. Our vision, GPSC aim to be the global leading innovation, previous page. Global leading innovation and sustainable power company. We aspire to become one of the top 3 power company in Southeast Asia and expect to invest more than 50% of our capacity came from the green energy. And right now in the Stock Exchange of Thailand, we rank as the second largest electricity producer listed in energy and utility sector. And for the credit perspective, GPSC as the AA+ rated by TRIS and A++ rated by Fitch in domestic rating. And for the international rating, we rate by Fitch International at BBB-. And for the ESG perspective, we have the member of Dow Jones Sustainability Index. For the next page. This page will show the position and portfolio of GPSC since 2020. And you will see the 2020 we invest an operating capacity around 4.7 gigawatt and comprise of the gas-fired portfolio in this part around 72% and for the green portfolio around 11%. And right now at the end of 2024, we expand the capacity around 1.5 times from 2020. Now we achieve around 7,000 megawatt. Which is the gas-fired around 48% and green product around 40%. And for the committed capacity, we have commit megawatt capacity around 14,000 megawatt, which is the renewable around 68% and natural gas will reduce portion to 24%. And if we compare with 2020, we grow around almost 3 times from 2020. For the next page. This page will show the financial performance of 2024 and net income of GPSC is 4 billion Thai baht and represent increase around 10% from previous year. The key factor that you will see in the left-hand side of the presentation, we have the increase in the sale volume of the gas of our portfolio like IPP, SPP, VSPP. And for the last 2024, we have the gas cost drop by 17%. And however, FT dropped as well and dropped more than the gas cost. FT dropped around 55%. The FT in during 2024 is to be 39.72 star. And that's why the revenue drop from some part of the revenue structure referenced about the FT. However, we have the manage and optimization of the power plant portfolio and manage the optimum cost of the GPSC. We will achieve the increase of the EBITDA around 8%. The EBITDA of GPSC in the 2024 achieved at 19,000 Thai baht. And for the success of the project achievement that you will see the right-hand side. We success for the COD of power plant in Thailand in the Madhaput area that it enhanced our efficiency to derive and contribute the EBITDA for the next year. And the growth in the international area, we achieved the COD of the Changfang Xidao in Taiwan that we stake around 25%. And for the Awada, it's the achieved huge growth in the operating capacity in this year. And we have the achieved and won bidding for the target around 21 gigawatt. The detail will describe in the next part. And the last one that we have the achieve the M&A of the GRP that we can consolidate GRP contribution to the GPSC and enhance the net income in the 2024. And the business expansion in the distributed area of the GPSC, we will have the partner with Keppel that we will aim to grow in the distributed capacity in the electricity and energy saving in this area. And for this part, we will present the dividend payment of fiscal year of 2024. That GPSC board has approved a total dividend payment of the performance of 2024 at 0.9 baht per share, amounting approximately around 2.5 billion Thai baht, with payout ratio around 62%. That you will see the ex-date date in the yesterday and the record date on the 4th March 2025, and the payment date will be around 23 April of 2025. And however, the payment as scheduled will be approved from the AGM of 2025. This part will show about the strategy of the GPSC that we have the 4 strategy. And the first strategy is our core business to contribute the EBITDA, which increased year-on-year comparing to the 2023. Key area to improvements of this strategy, we will divide by 3 parts. The first one is the better reliability performance of 2024 and maintain the best practice and focus area of improvement that we will present the detail. And the first part for the reliability performance, I will see the baseline from the average of unit trip that we will below on the baseline in every time, and for site fee as well. And for the highlight for the operation, we will compare with the benchmark that we will have the improved area in the last year, and expect to manage of efficiency uplift in in 30 projects. In the last part that improve the operating is the EBITDA uplift, that we will enhance the profitability and operational efficiency through the project EBITDA uplift that we mentioned in earlier, and focus on the cost optimization, maintenance efficiency, and reduce energy and water losses, and make sure that the outage assurance and spare part optimization to contribute or strengthen a sustainable financial performance in the next year. And as the PTT dedicate GPSC as the decarbonization in multiple area, because I have the strengthening in the transmission in those areas, and we have the manage the network for the cost optimization, that you will see the management of the internal merit order. I will classify the heat rate into the three group that we will maximize, monitor, and reduce to contribute the high efficiency, low heat rate, and competitive cost to manage the cost and reduce the impact of revenue structure that we reflect from or impact from the FT announcement that regulate by the government. That's why GPSC consider for the FT structure as the right-hand side, that you will see the SPP for portfolio of GPSC right now have the FT link around 39%, and fuel link pass-through concept around 61%, and we will increase the FT link more, almost 10% target 2030. And another part that we will manage the cost efficiency from natural gas and coal. For this page, GPSC, we will emphasize the GPSC operate the largest private utility network in Thailand. And we provide the 24/7 energy solution to support our customer, particularly petrochemical sector, where reliability is the critical. Our service go beyond electricity to include steam, seawater, and other utility, ensuring comprehensive and integrated solution of our customer. With the operational stability and proven track record, GPSC remain committed to delivering the reliability and sustainability energy solution and support business growth in those areas. For the second strategy, scale up. In the same strategy at the first strategy in the multiple area, we will scale up this strategy in Thailand as well. For the domestic strategy, we will have to engage the partner to secure the land. And we have the technical partner to expand the technical area like wind power energy. And for the overseas renewable growth, I will have the good partner in India like AEPL. You will see 2024, we will achieve operating capacity around 4,700 megawatts. And we have the development pipeline project to achieve 21 gigawatt in the 2029. And for the CFXD, we have the good partner as well as the CIP that have the strengthening in the technical. And right now we have the achieve the completed construction, and we will recognize the full performance in 2025 that we achieved the 62 wind turbine, and we will recognize in full year in this year. Okay, for the next strategy, we hand over to Kun Pachuda.
For the strategy S3 new S curve, this strategy will support the new energy transition and decarbonization in Maptaput area. And we will be a part of supporting our customer to have green competitiveness in export market. For this strategy, we have two main purposes. The first one is support to energy futures via small modular reactor project or SMR. And our SMR, we focus on reliability to our customers, competitive pricing, decarbonization, and the highest safety. And right now, GPSC, we studying the SMR with our partner is CBOC. And CBOC is a specialist in power development technology from Denmark. And right now we are on process of pre-feasibility study, and we plan to get the result within second quarters of 2025. And in terms of the investment, we plan to invest in SMR project around 2038 that align with the Thailand PDP with a potential capacity around 200 to 400 megawatt. And move to the right-hand side. This is our second purpose is decarbonization in Maptaput area. The first one is carbon captures that we study with the PTT group under the Eastern CCS hub model that we focus on captures and storage carbon dioxide efficiently and also researching with the technology partner to be carbon capture as a service in the futures. And another one is ammonia co-filing project. This project, we will use the ammonia to be part of coal plant fuel in order to reduce the emissions. And we have target to make the ammonia around 50% of the coal plant fuel to make the emission equal to the gas plant. Next slide. This strategy is explore or shift to the customer centric. At GPSC, we carry out this strategy under CHPP Group, which is our subsidiary company that focus on innovative energy solution like power as a service, battery as a service, and cooling as a service. And our main service that we provide to our customers are EPC, energy optimization, and carbon certification. And our target customers are clean building, clean factory, and smart station. And right now, GPSC, we have the target to achieve 2 hour megawatt in power as a service within 2028. And move to the right-hand side. This is cooling as a service that we operate under Cool Connect. The Cool Connect is our joint venture with the Keppel, and the Keppel is a specialist in utility distribution from Singapore. And for the Cool Connect, we provide a one-stop service and tailored solution for our customers from implementation, designing, operating, O&M, and provide a long-term service to our customers. And main customer are universities, hospital, mixed-use building, data centers, and the electricity factory that have high demand in cooling waters. And GPSC, we aim for 10 times from current demands or around 100,000 ton cooling waters within 2028. Next slide. This slide, we will update you about the ERU project. The ERU project will provide electricity and steam to our industrial customer by using the petroleum pitch as a fuel. This project is under CFP project of Thai Oil. And right now, the project have overall progress around 95% and have the total investment cost at $757 million. And right now, GPSC, we have already paid the investment cost around $96 million. And we will pay the less investment cost when the project fully completes and Thai Oil grant the ownership to GPSC. And right now, and as you know, right now the ERU project will be postponed the COD to 2029, and the Thai Oil EGM meeting have already approved investment increase in ERU. And for GPSC side, the investment increase are being considered. And if we have the conclusion, we will update the investor as soon as possible. And however, we would like to confirm that the GPSC we are still achieving the returns of investment as we planned. Next slide. And this is the challenges in 2025. The first one is law and regulations, and the second is the comeback of the President Trump that reflect on many aspects, both positive and negative. And we also slow down economy in Thailand and worldwide. And for GPSC, we always monitor our situations and ready to handle our challenges. For example, we try to change the FT link contact to more gas link contact in order to reduce the exposure risks from electricity price. And we have been working on proficiency improvement project since last years that reflect on our better performance in 2024, and we still keep going our project in these years. And in terms of the investment in India, right now the operation is going very well, and we still seek for new opportunity in India. Apart from the others, because the India market is very big and have the high potentials and high demand in power sectors that will support GPSC in terms of the market expansions and energy transition and energy futures. Next slide. And next part, this part we will present financial performance. Let's start with the key driver. In 2024, for the FT was the same amount or the years at 39.72, which increased 19 stang in year on years, but lower than last year around 48 stang. And we would like to know about the GPSC. We provide power and steam, and 20% of our total revenue linked with the gas price. It means we can pass through the fuel cost to our revenue, and we have one third of total revenue that linked with the FT. And right now, GPSC, we have various sources of fuel that support us to manage the cost efficiency with effects on our better performance in 2024. And for the gas cost, our gas prices decreased in Q on Q, year on year, and year to date, mainly due to the market price and the gas price restructuring to single pool gas. And for the coal cost, both IPP and SPP was quite not much change in during the years, but significantly increased when compared with the last years, mainly due to market price. And GPSC, we can manage our coal cost by purchasing the lower coal index, like as ICI2 and ICIT, to blend in our inventory. Next slide. And for the IPP availability rate, in 2024, in the last quarters and full year average, were better than the previous period as the normal operation plan. And for the SPP electricity price, in the first quarter, the price was 3.44. Is not much change during the years, and the change depend on the gas price. And for the full year average, the price was 3.53. It's lower than last year due to the lower FT and lower gas price. And in terms of the sale volume, for electricity, if you see the overview of our plot, the sale volume increased in Q on Q, year on year, and year to date, mainly from the GECO 1 resumed to the operation in 2024. But if you focus only the SPP, the sale volume decreased in Q on Q because we have some customer have planned outage as their plan. But the sale volume increased in year on year and year to date because in last year we have some customer have unplanned outage and market slow down. And for the steam sale volume, decreased in Q on Q but increased in year on year and year to date as the same lesson with the SPP power. Next slide ค่ะ And this is the summary of the financial performance of 2024. This year, the company have total revenue at 19,730 million baht, and EBITDA at 19,009 million baht, and net income at 4,062 million baht, and also have earning per share at 1.44 Thai baht per share. And in this year, the GPSC, we faced many challenges, such as the market and economic slowdown, and we have a negative impact from lower share of profit, mainly from the Sayaburi plant shutdown around 17 days and prepayment fee from of refinance from our others. And however, we were able to manage cost efficiently, whether it is the fuel cost, OPEX, and finance cost, which result in higher EBITDA and higher net income when compared with the last years. Next slide. At the end of the year, the GPSC, we have the ending cash around 25,492 million baht, which mainly include from cash flow from operation, but partial offset with tax payment, investing in a new plan, dividend payment, and repayment loan and interest expense as we plan. And for the financial position, at the end of the year, the company have total asset at 288,000 million baht and total liability at 169,000 million baht and total equity at 119,000 million baht. And for the debt portfolio, in this year, the company have the net debt to equity at 0.87 is the normal range and below the 1, and interest coverage at 1.54, and average cost of debt at 3.6%, and average loan life at 5 years. And GPSC, we have the fixed rate of interest around 50% of total part, and for the credit rating, as I mentioned earlier. Next slide. And this is the outlooks of 2025. For the FT will be 36.72 stang, according to the government announcement. And for the full year average, well, we expect to be in the range 19.72 to 36.72, subject to the government regulation. And for the gas price, we expect to be in the range 330 to 340, is a little bit higher than last year's. And in terms of the coal price and SPP demand and FX rate, we expected to not much change when compared with the last years. And this year, the GPSC, we still focus on efficient cost management and carry on improving company efficiency project in order to uplift our performance and focus on rebalancing the investment portfolio to achieve the returns of investment as we plan.
I think I will see you again in the next quarter. Thank you so much for the investor and stock exchange of Thailand today. Thank you so much.
This session has come to the end. Thank you very much, investor and corporate, for joining the conference. If you do need further details, please feel free to drop us an email. ขอบคุณครับ
ขอบคุณค่ะ
ค่ะ